Guys, I'm back with another video. Welcome. I am so excited today. I've been waiting to do a fashion video for a while now, and I'm finally getting a chance to do it. So we're gonna get straight into this video, but before we get into this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. And if you're new, welcome. Again, my name is Autumn. I'm sorry if I didn't say that first. I'm just so excited. And also, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever your girl posts a new video. So, let's get into it. So today, this box is magic. In this box. So recently I subscribed to a clothing site called Stitch Fix. I know a lot of people have heard about it. It's like a subscription where it's like a shoe dazzle or whatever, where you do like a fashion quiz and they will hook you up with a stylist and they will pick out clothes to you and they will send you the items that they picked out for you based upon the quiz, based upon the answer that you gave them about your fashion, what you like. And this subscription costs $20. So basically they send you a box with 5 pieces. So in this box is 5 pieces of whatever, jewelry, shoes, purse, clothes, everything. So they send you items, and whatever items that you actually want or that you like, you go on their website, you tell them, yeah, I want to order this and I want that, whatever you like inside this box, inside this magical box. You go on their website, you tell them, yes, I want to keep this, I want to return that, and that basically you purchase the items that you want to keep. You can purchase them, like you can do like a they have an afterpay. Depending on how much everything came up to, that's how much, a monthly payment. Mine's, I don't know, because I didn't go and see I didn't want to go on the website and see what's in the box, because I think they actually show you what they sent you in the box. So let's open this box so I can see what they sent me. Alright. Alright, so whatever you don't want, they do have a return label here. I'm not gonna show because it got my address on here. They do have a return label here. And bag, you just put whatever you don't want back in the bag and just ship it off. And I think the shipping is free for the return items. Alright, so it comes with a shop. It comes with this. This was in the box. Okay, so it looks like I got a pair of jeans. Dark denim jeans. I got a 32. Don't know what this is, but let's see. Oh, some earrings. Yes. Look, girls' night, everyday date night, everyday weekend. That is super neat. I think I might purchase these. It's this. Okay, this is a cardigan. And I got a large in this cardigan. Okay, here goes shirt. Alright, this is a shirt, flowers, solid in the back. Oh, this shirt is nice. I definitely love this shirt. Got a little pink in it, stripes, white and black, and it got buttons in the back. I definitely like that. So they send you 5 pieces. You see what you want to keep, whatever you don't want to keep. The bag, the shipping bag that they sent in with the box, you just put the stuff that you do not want to keep into that bag and ship it back. And so I have not went online to to order my stuff, but I'm thinking I might keep a couple of those items because they look super cute. And also, when I was doing the quiz, they did ask me, do I want stuff that's expensive or that's budget friendly, budget friendly, that's in your budget. And I definitely said I want stuff that's in my budget. So I'm hoping this stuff is in my budget. So let me try this good old stuff on. Definitely not feeling this hot water look. It's not the jeans I don't like, but this is one of the shirts and the jeans that came inside the box that my stylist sent me. The shirt is decent, but it's not me. So whatever I don't like, I get to send back. Alright. Yeah, I definitely love this shirt. I like this shirt. Nice and cozy. An everyday wear shirt. I'm definitely loving this shirt. I love that the buttons are in the back. See? I love the buttons that's in the back. This is actually a nice cardigan. It has pockets on the sides. It's long sleeve. It's actually nice and comfortable. It looks good with this outfit, what I got on. I don't know. Decisions. So this is the website. I'm just going to show you guys how the website looks and how you can register. This website is for men and kids also. They have different brands. Right here is just a little mini quiz. They just asking you if you like to shop or not. Now here I already have an account, so all I have to do is just log in, and they do tell you when your next order will come. As you can see here are some trendings for you. They have a bunch of stuff that you can look at, and this is not a sponsored video. You can also write notes to your stylist. You can post pictures. You can also just, go shopping yourself. And these are a couple of looks that your stylist has picked out for you upon, based upon the quiz that they give you when you register. And again, this subscription is only $20. If you don't like any of these looks, you can choose to get a new stylist, or you can just get a new look. So these are the 2 items that I chose to buy. I didn't get the jeans, nor the cardigan, nor the purple shirt. So here I'm going to do a quiz. They have a bunch of quizzes that you can take. so your stylist can get to know you better. So I'm going to take a quiz. And this quiz I'm taking is activewear. They're going to ask you a bunch of questions. And you just click on the things that you normally will wear. Your activities. I wish I could have done the first quiz when I registered. So yeah, they just ask you a couple of questions about your style. And they do this for everything. They do this for, you know, just regular casual clothes, purses, shoes, activewear. They do it for all of it. For everything. They will provide you with a quiz so they can get to know your style better. And like I said in the beginning, they do have a bunch of brands. So I chose the brands that I'm familiar with. So this was one of the quizzes that I took. It's not bad. This helps your stylist know your style better. This is basically my profile. You know, my size, my body shape, how I like for my clothes to fit. They ask you a bunch of questions. So this was the beginning of, say I didn't have any of that. These are the questions they will ask you when you first register. You can go in and change things, just like I'm doing. I'm going in and changing the prices. Like I said, this website is also budget friendly. This subscription only cost me $20, and when I purchased the stuff that I wanted, they used the $20 that I pay every month for the subscription towards my order. Now, if you don't like anything, they won't charge you. Like, you don't have to order anything. Just say you returning the whole box. Also, what else am I missing? Also, try that Afterpay. That was my first time using the Afterpay, and it was really neat. I just had to pay, you know, so I'm doing 4 payments of 15 something. I don't remember how much, and they put that $20 towards my bill, so that was amazing. Comment what you think about Stitch Fit, what you think about the clothes that they sent me. And so this video is coming to an end. Thank you for hanging out with your girl today while I do this little fashion haul from Stitch Fit. And thank you for supporting Autumn Leaf Beauty. Come back and, you know, come visit your girl again. But before we go, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Autumn Leaf Beauty. Keep a lookout for Autumn Leaf Beauty relaunch. It's coming soon, baby. Coming soon.
Yeah, you're gonna love this one. It's a scream, baby. Hold on a sec. I'll be right back.
Y'all don't want to miss this. Y'all do not want to miss this. So again, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't done so, remember to hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever your girl posts up a new video. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms that will be listed down below. And I will see you guys next video.